tech tip, we're going to go over an extremely useful feature within Outlook, the focused email. The focused inbox in Outlook is a tab that organizes emails based on importance. Emails that are seen as less important will be sorted in another tab. The system considers emails and contacts that you interact with most, but filters out automated irrelevant bulk emails. And it works for both personal and professional accounts. You can swap emails between the Focused tab and the Other tab by right-clicking on the email and selecting Move to Focused or Other. If you prefer not to have this feature, it can be toggled off by going to the View tab at the top and clicking on the Show Focused Inbox. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this feature a shot next time you're using Outlook.